Pusada, itinuturing itong good luck. Bars iwasan ang pagpapalinis. Ng bahay ng todo-todo kung saan. Nandoon ang mga tuko. 5. Maging mapagpasalamat sa Diyos. Ayon sa pamahiin, kapag ang bahay mo ay hindi nawawala ng tuko o laging may tinitirang tuko, ito raw ay simbolo ng swerte at proteksyon. Sinasabing tagabantay ito ng bahay at sinasalo ang malas o masamang enerhiya. Kapag ang tuko ay biglang tumunog habang may nagsasalita, pinaniniwala ang kumpirmasyon ito ng katotohanan. Mas pinaniniwala ang positibo.
Hello, my beautiful wife. Hi. Hello. Hi, Mopsy. Soup. Soup. Good evening. Shout out, Mopsy. Shout out. Thank you, Mopsy. Kumusta, Mopsy? Long. Uy, turog si Andang po yun. Shout out from Bicol. Shout out, Mopsy. You on the inside out, me show you my life got on Aguas Turbulentos YouTube. Hi, Aguas. Hello. Shubham Sai. Do you have Insta? Yeah, but I'm not active there. Mike D. Hi, Mike D. Thumbs up dan. Maganda, Sheryl. Hi, Greg. How are you, Greg? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the 4 million thumbs up. Thank you. Aguas Turbulentos, YouTube, Argentina. Hi. I bought bread for only 40 pesos and it's delicious. Sana all. Mopsy. Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga sa'yo. Magandang gabi naman dito sa amin, Pilipinas. Tell me your Insta if you don't mind. Same name, but I'm not there on Insta. I'm not upload Insta. Hello from May. Good evening, team. From Greg. Hello, Greg. From team. Shobam. Gilbert Hinahon. Hi, Gilbert. Okay. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you for the 19 million here. Thank you so much. Good morning, May. Good morning. Good evening here. Good morning there in America. Thank you for the 5 thumbs up. Good morning, Matthew Whittington. Good morning. Ano bang sinabi ko? Good morning. Good morning to you, Greg, from me. John Mark Aurelio. Gabi na po. Yes, gabi na. Nay. Libby. Thank you for the 22 people. Thank you so much. Agus Mechanic. Hi. Hello, me from team. I bought a bag for only 300 pesos. Sana all. Anong brand ng bag? Gusto ko gusto ko rin gusto ko sapatos. Evening. Good evening, Greg. Good morning, Greg. Good evening here, Greg. Yes. Evening here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you for the 15 people. Thank you so much. Hello, Tim. How are you? From Good. Are you came from? I'm from Philippines. Pilipinas kong mahal. From Philippines. Do you wanna be a nectar? Thank you for the 5 thumbs up and 12 million people join here. Thank you guys. Salamat sa pagpunta. Salamat. 6 thumbs up. Thank you. Do you want to comment, like, and subscribe, guys? Thank you, Greg. Shoes is expensive. Oh yes, very expensive. Expensive shoes. No shoes. No need to shoes na. Expensive. Can you please show it your village? I love village vibes. The village? Yes. Wait. I want to see the village here. Good evening from Tolboy. The village here. The governor, vice governor. Look. Please shoutout po. Shoutout kay Ronel Series 7. The village. Basketball court. The kids. Our home. See our home. Yeah. Aray.
Patamsak naman po dyan.
Oh my god, you show it. You're such a sweet heart sister. So, thank you, Gary Sharma. Ano, Mapsi, what the brand of the shoes? Why so expensive? 7,800. Narlinate, thank you. Welcome. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hello. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Stay tuned. Hi, salamat. Hula on placer concert. What means? Serapim. What it means? Hola. Hola sa bola. Hola means hi. Is it Spanish? Yes, Spanish language. Do you speak English? Serapim. Yep. Thank you. Saan na ba? Oh. Ay di, base ako sa Agas. Domingo. Domingo.
Sa Truaka. Ano ba ga 20 maalarga?
25. Di man kita makaano. Kami meeting pa ako. Hello, nice to meet you. Hula on placer consent. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the translation of hula on placer consent. Thank you. Nice to meet you too. You are from Serapin from Spain. Spain. One of the beautiful country. Spain. they Spain Espanol. Thank you for the 8 thumbs up. Salamat. Hello, friend. Hi, Robert Carta. Hi. Hello. Hello. Manuel Santos. Oy, Sheryl Ohm. What means? Espanol, Spanish, yes. Spanish. Espanol, Spanish. Here, have a Spanish bread. We call it the bread Spanish bread. Here in Philippines, we have bread. Oh, and you mix TV high. Hello, beautiful girl. Karyask 9. Beautiful girl. Hi, Karyask 9. How are you? Where are you from? Welcome to my channel. Salamat. Oh. Someday, someone's gonna. I remember the house when I was a baby. Okay. You remember the house when I was baby. Look like our home. Kamikani Comics TV. Hi, Kamikani Mix TV. Hello. Was that pig making noise? I don't know. Just uh, uh, big force trot like that. Kamikani Comics TV. Hi, hello. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome here. Thank you so much. Yes. Yum yum. Bumalbalik si Yum Yum. Walang date. Kumusta Yum Yum? Kumusta ang school? Ay, wala pala ngayon. Bakasyon pala. Thank you for the 12 people. Binawi yung thumbs up na isa. Nagbago yung isip. He changed their mind. They changed their mind. Bakit kaya ang puso namin? Thank you for the 13 people. 10 thumbs up. Salamat. Pretty smile. Thank you, Karyask 9. Thank you so much. Karyask. I'm your fan. Thank you, Seraphim. Thank you so much. Yum yum. What country are you from? I'm from Philippines. So Zomni. Zomni 3. I'm from Philippines. And you? What are you? What country are you from? Zomni 3. Do you wanna be like I can. One thing. I want you to burn with me, baby. Let's kindle in my life. Thank you for the 8 people. Thank you so much. I want you to burn. Thank you for the 11 thumbs up. Thank you so much. 9 people here. Thank you guys. Salamat. Want you to burn, want me to be night together. Carlos. Thank you. You need buy a Dunkin' Donuts. No Dunkin' Donuts. Ah, may Dunkin' Donuts man. I try. Expensive Dunkin' Donut. One piece like this. 40 plus. Ah, 40, 50 plus. Year. Delicious, cute little doll. Huh? Little doll? Hello, beautiful Junior Vargas. I'm bored. Bye bye. Bye, Yum Yum. Go ahead. Take your time. Go. Go. Do what you want. It's your choice. Be happy. Enjoy your life. Take care. Hello, American man. Hi, American man. Thank you so much. Can I visit you? I'm here in the no, Bicol. Where are you now? Junior Vargas. Spain. And America. Oh, America. Where in America? Big America. The America is so big. Chicago. Oh, Chicago. Chicago. Oh, my cousin lived there in Chicago. Oh. Hi, Marlon Gadugdog. Hi, Marlon. Miss Marlon. Thank you for joining. How are you, Mom Marlon? Yum, yum. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines, Sir Vargas, Junior Vargas. Bumabalik ka. Yum, yum. Akala ko ba bored ka? Okay lang po. Salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa live, Ma'am Marlene. Thank you so much, Marlene Gadugdog. Dad Tamsak, thank you po sa patamsak, Ma'am Marlene. Time for bed, lol. Yes, later, I'm going to sleep na. Thank you, Harley. Good morning. Hi, Insan. Just chat. Charity. Good morning. Ang evening. Good morning. And evening, cause tambay ako sa'yo, bored ako sa work. Sige, Insan. Salamat sa pagpatambay. Guys, hit the like button, tap your screen, guys. Thank you, team. Thank you so much. Salamat. Ben is my name. Salamat din. Thank you too. Thank you so much then. iPhone 35 Pro Max price is 9 million. Grabe naman. 9 million? iPhone 35 Pro Max? Grabe. Para na ako may kotse na, may bahay na. Seryoso? Ganyan ang price ng iPhone 35 Pro Max? My God. Nakalula ah. The Roblox logo changed. It was now it's. Okay. Di ka sa Roblox talaga ah. Yum yum. Grabe naman. Grabe yaman niya. Insan sana all. Sana all. Sana all, Mapsi. Do you have iPhone 35 Pro Max? Price is 9 million. Do you have? Hello, Jazz. Tika niya. Matampo na naman ini. Batia daw. You have nice legs. Karias. No, it's not. It's not nice. Not nice. And thank for the 14 thumbs up and 9 people here. Thank you so much. Salamat. Kumusta ang gabos? Kumusta ang gabos? Gabos. Thank you for the 15 people. Salamat po. Gopnik Crusader. Cook something for your 12 children. 12 children. Kaya ko lang lugaw. Crisis. Hello, Sam. I cannot wait to see you guys together. Thank you, Insan. Salamat. Thank you, Just Chat. Thank you so much. Do you want a piece of earth? Thank you for the 16 thumbs up. Salamat guys. Thank you. Thank you mga loads. Really. Thank you for the 17 thumbs up. Happy. Team happy. Thank you. Salamat. We'll go home on December just. iPhone 97 Pro Max is 2 billion. Grabe naman yan. Billion na. Totoo yun? My God. Parang yung mag-ano na yung buhay mo dyan kapag may ganyang kampon. Parang nanganganib yung buhay mo eh. Hi, hello. Hello, good evening po, host. Hi, Layakan TV. Hello, thank you sa pagpunta. Thank you so much. Layakan TV. Thank you po guys sa pagbisita. Sa patamsak nyo guys. Salamat po. Yum yum. Roblox logo over the years. R. That was the star of the logo of Roblox. And then it's 2023 block. Now it's blue. Ah, okay. Change logo. Change color the Roblox. Wow, that's great. I'm looking forward to that. Please call me Cha or Charity. That's my name. Okay, Cha. Yes. Her name is Cha. Charity. We called her Cha. Like me, Cheryl, they called me like KFC have a best chicken yummy. I'm Jollibee. Jollibee. Jollibee is the best chicken. Thank you, team. From Cha. Will you be in the Philippines in December, Cha? Not possible. I think she have worked there in US. No, maybe not possible. She have work. Ano, uuwi yan si Charity dito sa alumni. Home Grand Alumni. UB, she will be going here, maybe, alumni again. Popeyes is the best, lol, but Jollibee I love. Yes, the Popeye. The Popeyes. Yes, Jollibee. Gusto ko yung chicken sa Jollibee. Mala spaghetti. Spaghetti. Popeye sucks. The chicken is so greasy. Ayaw niya. Mitchell TM. Hi, Mitchell. Christian Manchu. Hi, Christian Manchu. Thank you for the 12 people here. 17 thumbs up. Hello. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Mr. Rollins HDC. What is your name? My name is Sheryl. We have Jollibee here in Houston. Ah, yes, thanks. I love Jollibee. That's good. Jollibee, have Jollibee there. Hello, how are you doing? You're very beautiful. My name is Mike. Okay. Thank you, Mike. Where are you from, Mike? Thank you for joining me here the live and giving the thumbs up. Appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40 years old. Jollibee, but no for sale, honey. Jollibee, but no for sale, honey. Honey? No honey, dear. Jollibee. I'm not sure, team, if I can go home. Busy working. Some of my coworkers already sick for December vacation. Yes, vacation. The December. PG vlog. What means? PG vlog. Why many Filipino ladies are coming to live stream? Yes, I need to live stream because I need watch hour. I need to, to, to reach the goal for applying monetization here on YouTube. I thought Popeyes was good. Well, no Jollibee here. I don't want to try one and hour two for just Jollibee. Tama. Ano lang? Ano ba yun? Imbes na, ano yun? No need to, no need to, ano yung tawag doon? No need to stress just to eat the Jollibee chicken. Charot, ganyan. Okay, maybe Cheryl will live stream it. Yes, maybe I will. Live stream. Yes. Oh, nice. I am 15 years old. Called become my friend. You, so young. So young. Between Mr. Rawlings. Where are you from, Mr. Rawlings? It's busy. Not here, Popeye. Not that good. Okay. Hello, do you like oh my gosh. Oh my god. Buti na lang hindi ko nabigkas. You're not allowed her. Sorry. Cheryl, I am from Assam and I Assam. What Assami? Assam. Where's where's that place? Phone 398 price is 57 real. Grabe naman yun. J- Grabe niyan. Just phone. Thank you for the 20 top site and 12 million people. Thank you guys. Salamat. Assam is northeast India and near to China and Myanmar. Okay. Okay. Sana all. Sana all. Thank you for the 10 people here and the 20 thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Call me Paris because it's my nickname. Okay, Paris. Why they call you Paris? What's the story of your name? You eat. No, don't do that. No, I'm not like that. Javier Pontos, I'm not like that. I don't eat like that kind of food. Subscribe Dan. May your YouTube grow soon. Thank you. Thank you, Paris. Thank you, Miss Rawlings. I thought that. Oh. I'm sorry and stumbled and found. It's the heart of it all when you fall down. Strike again. Actually, my real name is Parish. Okay, that's why they call you Parish. But many people feel difficult to pronounce my name. That's I keep Paris name. Okay, now I know na. Mr. Javier, please be careful to your words. Grabe naman si si Javier. Wala bang paligoy-ligo. I just, ayan, hindi ko mamigkas eh. Sorry, nako. Buti na lang hindi ko binigkas. I put him on top na. Time out. Thank you. Thank you to my moderator. Henry Slabon, please stand. Why? Henry Slabon. Tikabon ko ikaw. Hey Cheryl, you seems to be very happy girl with to attention. Yes. I'm just happy. I just want to be happy. No, it's my natural ano. That guy is so ignorant. Just so much ignorant. Grabe. I marry you. Hi, haha. Shell, do you use Instagram? Yeah, I have Instagram, but I'm not use it now because I have no an IG app. I delete the app because my phone is full storage, no space for new app like that. Hindi what is there to be done. Me, you're too young to go away. I'm leaving. Why you leaving na? You leaving? Okay, what is the name of your Insta? Same name, Sheryl Ohm. Shit, same name. But I'm not there, so I'm not, I don't know, no space for, no space for IG. Mr. Rollins, Mr. Rollins going. Pero ang kinuha mo?
20.
Sigurado ka?
Hmm?
Team Harley,
Ano sabi mo, baka lang magtuya ka.
makatulog sa aga sa, pasakan.
Diretso pa.
Hindi rin.
Eh, baka tapod.
Oh, makakanto ko na kita sa bangko, sus mabag kita po.
Sisi.
Oo.
Ano yung tutupad ko na ano?
Ha?
Ito pag ano, tutupad na ano, chocolate bar.
Ha? Diri, ayaw mo na sabto.
Ikita ko kami.
Then what? Because you're too aggressive and only 15 and she is really taken. And then what happened, Mr. Tim Harley? Please don't interfere between us, okay? You're right. I will do better. Simula na naman. Simula na naman. Ay, bato. 10 people here and the 22 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Hala niya. Okay, that's better. Hindi nakatiis. Hindi nakatiis. Kahit kailan di kita iiwan. Thank you for the 22 thumbs up and for people here. Thank you guys. Salamat. I think si Mr. Rolex parental.
Maybe ka ba?
Yes, he needs a parental guide that is required. He's only 15 years old. Need to, he needs a parental. Rated is PG. Eksaktong patnumbay ng magulang ang kailangan. Mano ka? Not toward. I controlled him now. I won't be in his way anymore. Okay. Thank you, Tim. Thank you for the 8 people. Thank you. So, what are you doing now, Tim? You can only take so much of this, guys. Nothing. 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 You're doing nothing. I'm guarding you. I know. Obviously. Nakakatino na. Simple lang naman ang aking pangarap. Dahil ako nang masaktan pa. Why do you always eat last? Eat last? Eat last? Ano yan? What do you mean? Itu yang bukan amanah direkan. Hello, hi to 10. Hi to 10. Hello. You eat your food last. Everyone eats before you eat. It's my choice. Thank you for the thumbs up. My choice. Hi, Garing Rene. Hello. Garing. Garing gabi na rin eh. Garing. Masakit na naman ang ulo ko. Migraine na naman. Salamat sa pag-thumbs up sa inyo guys. Thank you. Thank you for the 10 people. Gandang gabi. Gandang gabi, Alan Aliasos. Good evening. Thank you. Salamat sa pagbisita at sa pagpatambay dyan. Salamat sa mga tumatambay. Pakasalan kaya kita. Hanip yan. Unang kita, kasalan agad ah. But, thank you for the 8 people. Thank you so much. Hello, how are you? John Double. Hi, John Double. I'm fine. How about you? How are you? Where are you from? Payag ka hindi. Ba't ako papayag? From Australia. John Double, thank you. Shout out from Australia. John Double. Bakit? Anong bakit? Ba't bakit? Hello girl, Nikos. Hi, Nikos. Maka hindi, wagas. Siyempre, hindi nga kita kilala. Supra, red flag. Red flag yan. Thank you for the 24 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Alan, can you speak English, please? Hi, good evening po. Robert and Riley, good evening. Are you from the Philippines? Yes, sir. John Double, I'm from Philippines. Haharap naman kita sa altar, sa simbahan. Kahit huwag na akong hirap. O hindi na kailangan. Hindi ko na yan. Lumagpas na ako sa ng ganyan. Turkey, Amit Akotlu from Turkey. Hi. Shout out to you. Thank you for joining from Turkey, Ahmed. Antonio Torres, hola buenos días. Como amaneciste hoy on la mañana? Me puedes leer en español latino, por favor, si fueras tan amable. Hi Anel, welcome back Anel. How are you? Thank you Anel, welcome back again. Beautiful place in the Philippines. Thank you John Double. Do you know Philippines, Sir John? David Owen. Hi Sir David. Ayaw mo talaga. Ayaw ko talaga. Hinama mo pa talaga. 25 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Smile. Si Anel. Ay, nako. Kahit hindi ako ma-smile, may papa-smile ako eh. Bonjour, tout va bien? Hame, salut, salut Michelle, ça va? Bonjour. Bonjour. I'm calm. Like that, thank you, Anel. Gusto mo? Ha? Gusto mo na ito? Wala na. Yes, I have been to Davao City. Ah, okay. Back in 2013. Oh. Yes. Tiffany, where are you in the Philippines? From Luzon, Bicol province. Like that. Thank you, Anel. Fernandez Martinez. Hi, Fernandez Martinez. Mel TV vlog. Good evening, host. Good evening, then Mel TV vlog. Thank you for the thumbs up. Like that. Thank you, Anel. Thank you, Mel TV vlog. Thank you so much. Anel. Thank you, Anel. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ah, Suechi Jolly. What? Mercy beaucoup, Michelle. Haven't there many times. Wow, that's nice. Where you here? Where you go here? In Philippines. Maybe Bisaya please. Davao, Cebu, like that. I'm friends yours. Yes, Anel. Thank you, Anel. Masyado to si Alan. Bolerong natural ng Pilipino nga siya. Bolero. Masyado feel na feel. Smile. Hi, Anel. I don't know what you say, Cha. He said, Alan is, ano ba yan, bolero? Playboy. My cousin, she said, Alan is a playboy. Stand up. Why? Backside. Backside. No. Pakita mo leg mo, idol. No. Marami akong piklat dyan. Maraming piklat dyan. Maraming bakas dyan ng ano. Maraming pics. Like, may team na piklaton pa. To eat the infants. Ano ba yan? Anel, no? Smile na lang ako. I just smile na. No need to, ano. Sumasakit na ang ulo ko. Yay. Convert. Uwe. Backseat. What happened to you? You're drunk? Allah. Ayan na. Stricto masyado ang moderator ko eh. Be nice na lang. Maano, mahigpit si moderator? Mahigpit ang moderator ko. Mahigpit, stricto pa. Thank you, Skibidi. Hi, welcome back, Skibidi. Reset. Hello. Kumusta na? Masakit ko naman ang ulo ko. Okay lang. Okay, that's nice. Sexy mo. Ganda mo. Eh. Bolero naman tong ano. Kimber. Sado naman. Halatang halata naman yan. Pagka ano. Hindi ba panim-panimana? Hussein. Oh, welcome back, Hussein na madam. Ay, Hussein. Thank you for the 28 thumbs up and 10 people here. Totoo yan. I know myself. Good evening, tall boy. Good evening. Kimbart, very respectful. Hi, tita! Kumusta na, tita? Hi! Shout out, tita from Canada. Welcome back. I miss you na. Hi, Sheryl. Thank you, tita. Salamat ko. Bakit kaya? Hindi na napunta. Nahanap kita. Hello, Hula Linda. Hula Linda, Yusuf Kaplan. Basta, wala na. Na-delete ka na ni moderator. May strip yung moderator ko. Michelle, Jiffy de Gros Bisou Bientôt. Bonsoir, Michelle. Bonsoir. Merci beaucoup. Yusuf Kaplan, Turkey, Istanbul, Taurus, yes. Linda, money send me, yes, Linda. See, that's why. Thank you, Yusuf. See, that's why they need to speak English. Thanks, Tita. Merci. Merci beaucoup, Michelle. Merci, true. True. Thank you for the 29 people. Give thumbs up. Appreciated. Happy. Team happy. Salamat. So, no. French guy wants kisses. Yes, the bisou means kiss. Bisou means kiss. The French is the kisser. Good kisser. Super mercy. Thank you. Bisou. Bisugo. Thank you, Tita. I'm not chatting in French. Oh, not chatting, but you understand French language. Hi, team. From Tita. Thank you, Tita. Lagi ikaw ang nais makita. Tingala kita makita na. Haiti. French is a lot in Montreal and parts of Canada. Okay. Wow, it's nice. What new in the social? I don't know. I'm not visiting yet in the zoo. Thank you for the 8 people here and 29 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Yes, I learned French in school and my hobby is French. Your hobby is French. Okay. That's nice, Tita. French is kind. Very kind. What part of Canada do you and Tita? Someday we meet YouTube friends. Canadian, American, what pa? Dimple Girl Official. Hi, Mom Dimple Girl Official. Thank you for visiting me here. I'm learning Japanese now. My son lives in Japan. Oh, wow. Sana all. Japan. Gusto ko makapunta talaga dyan sa Japan. Bata pa ako, gusto ko na yan mapunta. Japan, Japan. Doon sa may ano, saan ba yung lugar na yan? Sa may bamboo. Right now, I'm in Halifax, moving to Quebec in the summer team. Oh, the Quebec. Quebec, Canada. Are you planning going to Canada, team? It's about me. Thank you for the student people. Thank you guys. I need to end the live now. My head needs to rest. Start headache again. English should be the only language on your chat show. Too many we can't understand. Yes. No, but if someone wants me to drive a tour bus there, I will be and get her tickets to show I'm in her area. Oh, that's good. Hello from Trinidad. Trinidad? Where Trinidad, please? Where is Trinidad country? It's a country or it's a... Where's Trinidad? Who's Trinidad? Far. Far. It's 9:43 in the morning, West Indies. West Indies. Caribbean. Ah, Caribbean. Caribbean. Nah. Okay, rest your eyes. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye bye. I need my eyes. I said it na. Thank you. See you later. Tomorrow morning again. To live. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Visiting my channel. Give the thumbs up. Thank you, Tita. Bye bye, Tita. Thank you guys. Love you all. Bye.